Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You want a working, supported office and you start legally. First, confirm your office edition and current license state in account settings so you know what to fix. Next, sign into a Microsoft account and ensure your email and payment method are verified. This speeds license purchase or trial activation. Also, back up essential files to avoid data loss when switching products or reinstalling. Once done, you'll be ready to select a genuine activation path without risking stability or security. Now pick the solution that fits your needs and budget. If you need cloud features and frequent updates, start a Microsoft 365 trial or subscribe. This gives automatic updates and support. If you prefer one-time purchase, buy a perpetual office license or use volume licensing for multiple users. For no-cost options, install LibreOffice or use Office Online and Google Docs, which keep compatibility for most tasks. Make sure to download software from official sites so you avoid malware and compatibility. Finish by activating correctly so you get updates and security. Sign into your Microsoft account and activate the product, or enter your purchased product key under Account Activate. If activation fails, run the built-in activation troubleshooter and, if needed, contact Microsoft support for guided help. Make sure your system date and time are correct, you have internet access, and uninstall any conflicting trial or beta office installations. If problems persist, support can walk you through license transfer or replacement key options.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.